Let's break down this credit card. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. First, we take the current balance and divide it by the card limit. This will show us the utilization on the card, and right now this card is at 87%. Now we're going to take that 87% and divide it by however many months we want to pay the card off in. So in this case, let's say we want to pay the card off in 9 months. We're going to take the 87% divided by 9 months. This shows us the percentage that we want the balance to go down. So we're going to round up here and say that that's 10%. The balance started at 87%, so we're going to take the 87% and subtract 10. And we just keep doing this until we get to 0. So our first goal is 77%, and then the percentage goes down by 10% all the way until we get to 0. Then after we know the percentage goals, we have to figure out what the balance would be at each of those percentages. So to figure out what the balance would be at 77%, we take the limit of 6,000 times 77%. So the limit times 0.77. So that would be our goal at 77%, and then we do that for the remaining percentages here. Now we figure out how much the balance is going down at 10%, which in this case is going to be $600, but just in case you need to see it on the calculator, we do 10,000 times 0.06. After we have the payment, then we add the first month's interest, which in this case would be $108, making the first payment $708.